All right. So as I was saying, it says a whole bunch of things right now on. It says a whole bunch of stuff right now on Forex Factory. So there's a lot of Federal Reserve news. So it says Federal Powell says that we'll start evaluating the process of exchange rates next week. So this is a big exchange rate stuff over the summer. We'll prepare to see a lot of growth. So I guess he must have had a big meeting or whatever that he's been talking, because for the past 15, 20 minutes, it's been all about Powell. And it's all red stuff, so it's all big news type shit. But no, Colin Powell, the not Colin Powell, one of the Powell, whatever Powell is, the Federal Reserve guy. He is speaking on the Federal Reserve and economy's projections and how they're going to build for the economy. And he keeps saying how there's not going to be inflation. So he's talking about the good things he's got going for the economy and job growth and stuff like that. He said prepare to see a lot of job growth, all kinds of stuff like that. Yeah.
I mean, it's clear as day where the support is. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
On top of that, we got the 200 moving average. Now, on top of that, when you look at the wicks, you can see that sellers are having trouble that they've been having trouble trying to close for the last couple of days.
Yeah.
All bullish indications, man. All bullish indications. On the day chart, man, that's powerful. Any positions that we put in, if we can manage to survive through tonight, we're good.
Yeah, there's a lot of bullish indications. And another thing, when you see big flash crashes like that, it doesn't mean that the market's about to keep dropping down. That means it flash crashed down so somebody can buy in real big. You know what I mean?
Right.
Or it means that the market's getting ready to go up for a while, and it flash crashed to take out anybody that's already in a buy, so they don't keep making a bunch of money. You know what I mean? They want to try to take those liquidities out because they're getting ready to, shoot up for a while. So I actually jumped in a fucking sell, and I'm up $9. So I'm going to take that out. But yeah, so that's what's been going on. Also, bro, I need you to follow me on Twitch, my man.
I don't even have a Twitch, but
I know you ain't got a Twitch, but I ain't got no followers. I need to follow it.
Yeah, I will definitely follow you. I'll start one too.
Yeah, no, you're good. I am on Twitch, right? I mean, I can't. I gotta see what do I gotta go to again to see how many people is actually watching my Twitch right now.
Man, great timing on reaching out to me though. Great timing.
Yeah, I tried to put you on, my nigga.
I appreciate it. All right, looks like another good price is coming.
Yeah, I think it's a really good price to get into a buy. I was actually just about to say that because I did take my sell. It's actually a really good price to get in a buy. I'm gonna put a buy in right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop loss down by this low right here and put my take profit at.
They're still delivering.
I'm putting my take profit at 15. Yeah, they're still going to. You know what I mean? It's not even the end of the day, so they're still going to.
Doing a sale all day today?
No, I don't. I think at the end of the day, it's going to shoot up at least halfway to at least before the end of this New York session. It's going to shoot up kind of halfway the way it's shot down. So it's going to shoot up to at least 1846. But that's just my opinion.
It's just the best time to get locked and loaded either way. We're at the desk.
Yeah. All right, so I got six views right now on my Twitch. I don't have any viewers right now. Oh, I do got one viewer. Hey, what's up? What's up? So yeah, like I was saying, now, so I can see as after this flash that they're just trying to make the market go up. As you can see, what I was talking about before with Forex Factory, and there's a lot of news with the economy going on right now. So that's what's going on with that. There's a lot of news. So like I said, I'm up right now $3 in this little buy that I jumped into. A little 10-cent buy. But I mean, I just see the market moving like it is. But anyway,
And this is a powerful move. I got 2 positions on this motherfucker, man. I want to hold this all week if I can.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good opportunity. Or if it actually goes back down to at least, if it goes back to 1833, then that's another chance to get in another really good buy. That's the buy you really want to get into, honestly, on the 1833 range.
Seriously. I'll take price for where it's at right now. We're just gonna see if this gonna try
we'll see what happens with this candle right here, because on the 15, it just switched over to a new candle. So we'll see what happens with this candle right here. Hey, everybody in my live. What's up, man? How you guys doing? This is Simple Forex here. My name's Keith. What I'm doing is trading gold live, guys. So I will be going back and forth between my trading screen, and I'll be going back and forth between the news, guys. But if you could do me a favor, go ahead and hit that follow button, go ahead and friend me, because I'm very new to Twitch and I have nobody really looking at my stream. So I need you guys to get on it. You know, I need the community to work. As you guys can see right now, I'm up right now a little bit. So it's going to be going back and forth today. You guys did see there was a big crash that happened in gold. There's a lot of good news for the economy, but I do see that gold is going to be going on the uprise, guys. And on the other line with me, I do have another fellow trader here with me. So we will be going back and forth with conversation. So if I'm not on the screen talking to you guys, I will be going back and forth on the conversation. So stick with my live, and this will be very fun to see. Yeah, bro.
Hey, what's going on, Twitch? This is Tim. I'll be joining the live today as a fellow trader. And yeah, gold is moving wild as hell right now. It is a great time to get in on a buy. Not financial advice, by the way.
Not financial advice. Very good disclaimer, because this is not financial advice, guys. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. I am only entertaining you guys with my trades and my risks. You enter your trades at your own risk.
Absolutely, and one of the things that we're doing on our end is that we are, well, I can speak for myself personally. I'm taking a minimal entry, so I put in 2 1-cent lot position sizes, and one of the things in my strategy that I'm basically looking for is, and this is going to be the same thing for Keith, as the price continues to drop down to the next price level, which, you know, if you're not too familiar with being able to analyze the charts, when you look at it on the 1 minute, which is what we're looking at it basically right now, or on the 15, you're going to notice that there's moments where there's wicks that are up to the upside, and then it's followed by a couple consistent candles, and it's just kind of going sideways for a short, brief period. So it looks like a small brick or a rectangle. Those are the support zones right at the top of those positions. And so we're looking for opportunities to grab those, or we're looking for opportunities where price is going to drop down to the most recent lows, which would be around 1832. And so that'll be the best place to grab a price. When you look at it on the day chart, like we were just mentioning, if you have any indicators going, this is a great time to pull them out. If you don't, you can notice that we're right at a place where I described where there's a bunch of wicks on the day chart. 3 wicks that are going up, that are bullish. You got a couple of indecision candles with 1 red, and then it finally goes up to the price that we saw going up around 1860, which is an extremely high for just the slow 2 weeks that we've been having on the market. So
yeah, and I just pulled out my Fibonacci. So If you take it from the time it really started going on its uptrend, we're right around the 50% mark, retracement mark. So we're looking for it to get into a nice buy. It did retrace all the way down. I mean, you usually want to look for it to retrace down into 61, but you never know. And this is a good time for you guys to really analyze what's going on in the market if you're not trying to get into a buy at the moment, because these are the times when the market really takes hold and goes forward on you. And it wants to rise up, as you can see. There's a lot of news going on, guys. So that's what we really look for. Sometimes that fundamental news will show you a lot of things. So,
and you want to go ahead and touch back on what was it, Colin Powell, whatever the guy's name was from the Fed that was speaking?
Yeah, the Federal Reserve Chairman, Powell. He was talking about the summertime, and he was talking about I'll go into, he says that recovery is incomplete right now and there's still risks that remain, but during the summer there's going to be a lot of job growth. So as I'm taking you guys into the screen right now, and you can see right here that Colin Powell says that there will be job growth, but inflation has increased. So inflation is not good for the economy. So the fact that the market's going down during this inflation means that it's getting ready to go to the upside. So as you guys can see right now, I'm up $7 because it flash crashed only to take out anybody that was already into a buy. So as you can see, it's flashing up now. It's starting to go up. I'm up $14. I just went from 7 to 14 within 10 seconds. Okay, so that doesn't normally happen. Okay, I'm only on 10-cent lot size. It doesn't move like that. Okay, the reason why it's moving like that is because everybody's hearing this chairman talk, and everybody is knowing that the market, that the economy in general is not doing that well, but we are moving towards recovery, and we're trying to recover now. So that's what the chairman of the Federal Reserve is talking about, is us getting into recovery.
And also, some good news right now. If you're looking at it on the 1 minute, we've been retesting this zone around basically 1839.50 for a while. We're getting ready to break.
Yeah.
Soon. We've already touched this resistance zone 3 times already. So at this point, it's going to try to wake back. It's going to do what it's got to do, but we are making our way up. And once we get past the 1842, you can definitely best believe that we're going to put our hands behind our heads and kick our feet up and collect the money from here.
Yeah, exactly.
The most powerful thing about everything that we're talking about right now is that when we're looking at indications on the day chart, the last few days they've been struggling. The sellers have been struggling to close at the price that they've been wanting to grab. We also see that we're going back. We've recently crossed the 200 on the bullish side. We're coming back. We're retesting the 200. Now, this is not a guarantee that it won't drop down past the 200. Hell, we actually hope that it does. We can get a better price on the buy then.
Yeah.
But ultimately, with fundamentals, with candle indications, every indication that we have is pointing towards the upside. So this is going to be a perfect swing trade opportunity.
Yep, this is a good opportunity. Swing trade is really getting into the market for the longer term. So if you have your stop losses, you can keep a smaller lot size and still make a lot of money in the long term, because swing trade just means that you're going to be sticking in the market for a few days or more. You're sticking in the market for at least 3 to 4 days at the minimum, so if you aren't really into day trading, swing trading is really just jumping in at one of the lower prices, buying low and selling high. So it's getting to a low of a recent period, and it's a good time to stay in the market because it will be rising up for a while, especially on gold, which is what I'll be trading on this live continually, is trading gold, guys. I'm going to constantly be trading gold.
And make sure to subscribe. Keith is definitely going to have a lot more of this kind of content here in the near future. We are working on gathering our ducks in order so that we can go ahead and grab a YouTube for you guys. We're going to be working on TikTok with you guys, some more information to come. So definitely take the opportunity to subscribe. We got some information on crypto that you guys have been itching for so that you can learn how to read charts, and it is on the way. We're looking at it as early as July.
Yes, we are. We're looking at as early as July because if you look out there in the world, there's not a lot of information on how to actually trade crypto. So we really want to inform you guys on how to trade crypto. Honestly, I'm going to go and show you guys right now what XRP is doing on crypto. As you can see, it's just as easy to trade, or it's just the same as trading gold. There's a lot more expense that comes to it. Like one little trade could really knock you out, but it's crypto. So if you get in at a low price, you can stay in there and you can make a lot of money. As you guys have seen with Dogecoin and all those different things, it has made a lot of people money. Now, this is what we do for a living. We trade. We trade as a hustle. We have traded for a while now, and we have a lot of knowledge on how to trade crypto and the techniques that you would need to use to be able to analyze the market. So you guys, I need you guys to follow me and look out for more of those to come in the near future. As he said, July, early to mid-July. Birthday's on the 22nd of July, so I'm looking to go ahead and expand and get more things done around that time.
And if you take a look at Doge right now, let's see. Doge is still in a place where if you were able to get in around 30 cents, that was a great time to hold it. But right now, we're in a position right now where it's basically going to be making a retracement to the upside for the most part, and it's going to be pretty sloppy. It's formed up a whole range at this point, so trade Doge at your discretion. If you're going to buy and hold, it's the best time to do that right now for a short term.
Yep.
But we have a couple ways of trading Doge. So we can do it on Coinbase, obviously, and there's a lot of other platforms for buying and holding, but we try to take the approach of doing things from the Forex window through MetaTrader 4, and it gives our dollars a little bit more buying power. So one of the nice things about Doge is that you can throw a cent at it, and it can easily turn a cent into $3.
Yes, and as you guys are looking at Doge, as he's talking about it, you can see the moves that it has made. And if you guys know about Doge on Robinhood, you can put a little bit of pennies in there and made a lot of money off of it. People have made $1 million off of trading Doge, and they weren't trading it on MetaTrader like we could trade now, and they weren't trading it on Crypto.com like we could trade now. So that's a lot of good opportunity with Doge to make a lot of money, guys.
Man, they started doing that a month ago. I'm stoked about Doge and how many different cryptos that they've really opened us up to, man.
Well, when I look at my symbols right now, and I go down to crypto, there is at least 10 more cryptos that they added. Cryptos that people weren't even paying attention to before, but now people are on top of them. And they did add Doge, so I'm very happy for that. But there is about 40 cryptos you can actually trade. Now, money-wise, some of these cryptos are actually hard to actually trade because you might not have enough money to actually leverage or marginally trade these cryptos. But for the basic ones that we all like to trade, XRP, Doge, Bitcoin, you can trade all of those. So that's what we'll do. We'll teach you how to trade those. So if you guys go ahead and befriend me, we'll go ahead and put more information like that out. I'll have a couple of videos on my Twitch that I'll start putting on there that'll give you guys information on how to reach out to us on YouTube, and we'll also have podcasts and other things for you guys to reach out to us on.
And I put 2 cents on gold, and I'm up almost $5 now.
Yeah, that buy is really coming in. I know. I'm up $25. I'm up $25 right now. It's crazy.
I'm definitely going to try to hold this for the rest of the week if I can, or at least until the close on Friday.
Yeah.
Which, always got to close your positions at that point if you're doing a swing trade. But and you don't get an opportunity to swing trade every week. That's also something to just be aware of, and you don't want to just jump on the first opportunity. You want to have really been plotting and scheming for a while, so this is a good payoff for just all the time and attention we've been putting into this.
Yeah.
So,
True. So yeah, man. Let's see here. Am I still streaming? Yeah, I should still be streaming. Hang in there. Loading your activity. Sky will show you new followers, subs, chat, raids, host activity.
Chat, man.
Okay.
How long are you planning on streaming for?
I'm honestly about to jump off my stream. I do still have one person viewing it. So shout out to the homie that's viewing it. You can hop in the chat if you want to. I really appreciate that. You've actually stuck in here for a while watching me trade.
Man, this is man, look at how much it dropped. I've never seen a huge ass gap like that in the market.
Yeah.
Like, when I'm talking about fucking institutional manipulation in the market,
Yeah.
that is humongous.
I know.
Like, it reminds me of I told you, oh man, it just looks like there's a big ass satellite and they just dropped a beam out of the sky.
I ain't gonna lie, it does. It does. Now there's another candle about to happen, so I mean I can see it going up after it wicks down a little bit. So I'm gonna probably get off of this live so I can just talk to you personally. So shout out to everybody on my live, man. I really appreciate you. Go ahead and follow my page because I will be streaming most of the day today, guys. I will be streaming a lot. I got 4 followers now. I will be streaming a lot, guys. I am trading gold live, but I'm going to go ahead and get off of this stream. Go ahead and hurry up and friend me so I can have you guys alerted when I have more streams. I will be streaming a lot today, and I will be streaming tomorrow. Tomorrow morning is very important. I'm going to be doing a lot of streaming tomorrow morning, guys, okay? So go ahead and hop on my page because I will be streaming a lot. Alright, so I'm getting off of this live. I'm going to stop this now. And thank you, everybody, for watching my stream.
And thanks for having us. We definitely appreciate your support.
Yes, very much so.